Hi everyone, welcome to the Big O's house. Today we need a special guest. Let me open the portal closet and see who the portal closet picks.
Whoa, how did I get here?
The portal closet picked you for my video. So
Interesting.
it said, let's check on the screen. Let's see. It says, today we are going to do an EpiPen video and how to use it.
Sounds great. All right, let me get the fake EpiPen.
So just so y'all know, this is an EpiPen trainer.
It says trainer. You can see.
And it does not have a needle.
A needle. And for proof,
You have to
have to take the safety cap off. Nothing, nada.
that little circle that y'all see is just because you have to press it down really hard. So we're gonna pretend that the big A. So
you see.
So
you see, I have a actual milk allergy, and today we're going to pretend that Mentos gum is chocolate-covered almonds. Just doesn't have milk in it. I'm fine actually, but
hold on.
So
y'all can't see it because it's a mirror image. So I'm gonna look in the mirror. It's Mentos gum.
but yeah, you guys.
And we're gonna pretend they're chocolate covered almonds. And she's gonna eat it. I'm gonna come in and she is going to say, hey, I don't feel so good. I'm gonna check the ingredients on these chocolate covered almonds. And then she's gonna say,
Then I'll say, oh crap, these have milk in. Oh crap, these have milk in them. Hey, can you grab me my EpiPen? I think I'm.
she's not actually choking. That's just what she's gonna do.
Dude,
So
yeah, I just wanted to give
when
you
I
guys
say
a warning.
go, let's put the EpiPen right up here.
Or actually,
So let's see. I'm gonna get a bag. Let's see. I can put it right here in my backpack. Okay, so now I'm gonna come in, and when I say go, Big A, you're gonna do it. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, I don't feel so good.
Check the ingredients.
Can you get me my?
Oh gosh. Okay, here it is. Hold the camera. So what you're gonna do, pull blue safety cap, twist cap, stab in leg, massage, call 911. Alexa, call 911. Calling 911. Okay, stop, Big A. So we did not actually call 911.
It was just a fake thing, okay, y'all.
And I was Alexa. So I think that's the end of today's video. Bye.
Very short, guys. See you later. I might appear in the next video. You never know. Bye.